Revive or replace your Honeywell thermostat.
Hello everyone. Today we are tackling a question many homeowners have found themselves asking: can I fix my Honeywell thermostat or do I need to replace it? We will discuss the common issues you may face with your thermostat and guide you on how to fix these problems, if possible.
What are the common problems?
The first step to answering our question is to identify what the problem is. Here are some common issues with thermostats. 1. No power. The screen is blank or unresponsive. 2. Incorrect temperature readings. Your thermostat isn't measuring the correct temperature of the room. 3. Unit doesn't turn on or off. The thermostat isn't properly controlling your HVAC system. 4. Programmable settings not working. Your preset schedules aren't taking effect.
Can you fix it yourself?
Once you've identified your problem, the next step is to see if there's a simple fix that you can carry out yourself. Here are some potential solutions for the common problems listed above. 1. No power. This can often be due to a tripped circuit breaker, dead batteries, or a switched-off furnace switch. Try checking these components and replace batteries if necessary. 2. Incorrect temperature readings. Make sure the thermostat is not in the direct sunlight, near heat sources or drafty areas. You can also try cleaning the interior of the thermostat, as dust accumulation might lead to incorrect readings. 3. Unit doesn't turn on or off. Make sure the thermostat is properly set to heat or cool mode and the desired temperature is set correctly. If the issue persists, the problem might be with your HVAC system, not the thermostat. 4. Programmable settings not working. This might be due to incorrect settings. Review the user manual to understand how to correctly set the program.
When should you replace your thermostat?
If none of the solutions mentioned above fix your thermostat, it might be time to replace it. Moreover, if your thermostat is outdated or not energy efficient, you may want to consider replacing it even if it's working fine. An upgraded, programmable thermostat can save you significant money on heating and cooling costs. It's always a good idea to try some basic troubleshooting before deciding to replace your Honeywell thermostat. However, if all else fails, don't hesitate to call in a professional or consider replacing your thermostat. Remember, a functioning thermostat is not just about comfort, but also about energy efficiency and cost savings. We hope this video has been helpful and you're now more confident about whether to fix or replace your Honeywell thermostat. Good luck!